Welcome to English News Service ENS. Today's date 20th September, day Monday, वर्षा ऋतु भाद्रपद तिथि पूर्णिमा विक्रम संवत 2078 according to Purimat calendar Ujjain. Today's top news. First, more than 78 crore 58 lakh COVID vaccine doses provided by center to states, Union territories so far. Second, Ministry of Commerce and Industry will celebrate week-long Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav from today. PM Modi calls upon citizens to take part in auction of gifts and mementos received by him. Proceeds to go to Namami Gange initiative. For Namami Gange program is an integrated conservation mission approved as flagship program by the Union Government in June 2014 with budget outlay of rupees 20,000 crore to accomplish the twin objectives of effective abatement of pollution, conservation and rejuvenation of national river Ganga. Fifth, Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar said that the Government of India has emphasized on reintroducing traditional food items including millet, other nutritious cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, dairy and organic products in the diet of the people. Sixth, Himachal Police to seize rupees 9.27 crore assets of drug smugglers in lower hills in Himachal. DIG North Range Sumedha Dwivedi told. 7. Jammu and Kashmir People's Democratic Party PDP will fight the upcoming assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir, said party president Mahbooba Mufti, ruling out any alliance with the BJP. 8th, Maharashtra. The 10-day Ganesh festival culminates with the immersion of Lord Ganesh idols taking place in Mumbai, Pune, Nasik and other parts of the state. 9th, in Maharashtra, nearly 1,47,000 women join self-help group in Bhandara district under National Rural Livelihood Mission NRLM. Of these, 35,000 women have been imparted various trainings including poultry, sustainable agriculture, organic farming, goat breeding, fisheries, etc. At present, more than 2,100 students have been trained and 1,010 students are working in various places. 10. Madhya Pradesh schools to reopen for classes 1 to 5 from today. Odisha. Eminent literature, social worker and former editor of Odia Daily, the Samaj Manorama Mohapatra passed away on 19 September Saturday. She was 87. She was honoured with Sahitya Akademi Award in 1984. Punjab. Charanjit Singh Channi has been unanimously elected as leader of the Congress Legislature Party of Punjab, who would be state's next chief minister. He is MLA from the Chamkaur Sahib Assembly constituency. He was leader of opposition in Punjab Assembly from 2015 to 2016. 13. West Bengal crosses milestone of administering more than 5 crore COVID vaccine doses. Cumulatively, 5 crore 6 lakhs 57,000 doses have been administered against COVID-19 till date. Defense news. The Border Road Organization BRO is a road construction executive force in India that provides support to and is a part of the Indian Armed Forces. BRO develops and maintains road networks in India's border areas and friendly neighboring countries. Director General of BRO is Lieutenant General Rajiv Chaudhary, founded on 7 May 1960. Border Roads Organization BRO over the year has inducted a large number of women into its workforce. The BRO created history again on August 30 when Major Aina of Project Shivalik took charge as officer commanding 75 RCC at Pipal Koti in Chamoli in Uttarakhand. She is the first Indian Army engineer officer to command a road construction company. Indian Army JAG Recruitment 2021. Indian Army has released short notice for JAG entry scheme 28th course for men and women law graduates scheduled in April 2022 on its website. The candidates will be able to apply to the post through the online mode from 29 September 2021 onwards. The last date for submission is 28 October 2021. Candidates who wish to apply for JAG 2021 course should possess bachelor's degree in law from a recognized board. International news. First, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar met the visiting foreign ministers of Saudi Arabia Faisal bin Farhan Al Saud at Hyderabad House in New Delhi on 19 September. Second, both the ministers discussed further steps to strengthen their partnership in trade, investment, energy, defense, security, culture, consular issues, healthcare and human resources, and exchanged views on the developments in Afghanistan and other regional issues. World news. First, France has accused Australia and the US over a new security pact. Earlier, a trilateral security agreement was announced by the United States, Australia, and the United Kingdom. The Australia UK US UK US agreement has left France enraged, which has called it a stab in the back. Second, France is upset because it has lost a mega submarine deal to the US and because it feels humiliated at being kept in the dark about what the other three democracies were planning. The pact will see Australia being given the technology to build nuclear powered submarines. The move thwarted a multi-billion-dollar deal France had signed with Australia. Third, Bangladesh to vaccinate students aged 12 to 17 with Pfizer corona vaccine, Health Minister Jahid Malik said. Fourth, Myanmar court set October 1 for Aung San Suu Kyi corruption trial. Aung San Suu Kyi has been under house arrest since her National League for Democracy (NLD) government has deposed by the military in a February coup that sparked a mass uprising and a brutal crackdown on dissent. She is currently being tried on another charges by the special court. She faces charges of sedition, 2 counts of flouting COVID-19 pandemic restrictions, illegally importing walkie-talkies that were for her bodyguards' use, and the unlicensed use of the radios. Fifth, the Cumbre Vizca volcano erupted on Spain's Canary Islands on Sunday, spewing out lava, ash, and a huge column of smoke after days of increased seismic activity. Sixth, 2 people killed, 21 others injured in 4 separate explosions in Afghanistan on 18 September. No group has claimed responsibility for the blast so far. 7. Russia is holding elections to the State Duma, the lower house of parliament, from Friday this week. The voting will take place till Sunday over a 3-day period due to the COVID-19 pandemic. 8. The jail sentence for the former PM of Bangladesh, Begum Khalida Zia, in 2 corruption cases has been suspended for 6 more months. Family of Begum Khalida Zia applied to the government seeking permission for her to go abroad for advanced treatment, but it was turned down by the government, saying that a convicted person can't be allowed to go abroad for treatment. Sports news. IPL Chennai Super King versus Mumbai Indians match 30. CSK 156 by 6 in 20 overs. Mumbai Indians 136 by 8. Chennai Super Kings beats Mumbai Indians by 20 runs. MS Dhoni returned as captain for Chennai while Kieron Pollard is captaining Mumbai in Rohit Sharma's absence. Second, match on Monday, 20th September 2020, that is today. Kolkata Knight Riders KKR versus Royal Challengers Bangalore RCB. 19:30 timing IST, 14 GMT timing, 18 local match. 31st Zayed Cricket Stadium, Abu Dhabi. Third, 60th National Open Athletics Championship is scheduled at JN Stadium, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Hanamkonda, Warangal, Telangana from 15 to 19 September 2021 and organized by Telangana Athletics Association. The results have been declared. Other news. US dollar 73.70, British pound sterling 101.29. CM of Uddhav Thackeray of Maharashtra, Governor Bhagat Singh Kosyari, gold 47,705 per 10 gram 24 carat, silver 60,000 per kilogram, petrol rupees 107.26 per liter, diesel rupees 96.19 per liter, CNG rupees 49.40, LPG rupees 885 per 14.2 kilogram, BSC Sensex 59,015.89, Nifty 17,585.15. Facts about India. Indus Water Treaty. This treaty was signed on September 19, 1960 between India and Pakistan and brokered by the World Bank. The treaty fixed and delimited the rights and obligations of both countries concerning the use of the waters of the Indus River system. Thought of the day. It doesn't matter how slow you go, as long as you will not stop. जोक ऑफ द डे, पप्पू टू हिज फ्रेंड. ये डॉक्टर लोग ऑपरेशन करने से पहले पेशेंट को बेहोश क्यों करते हैं? पप्पू, क्योंकि पेशेंट खुद ऑपरेशन करना सीख न ले, इसलिए. लर्न संस्कृत. ललित. ललित मीन्स चार्मिंग, लवली, जेंटल. भुक्तोपवा बिसाथास्तांद्रा. नेवर सिट आइडल आफ्टर टेकिंग फूड. वॉक फॉर एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर. जीके टुडे. द जेलीफिश Turritopis dohrnii has no brain and heart and is considered the only immortal creature on earth. It lives in tropical water. As scientists have proved, such jellyfish do not die of old age. Living up to a certain age, they begin to get younger and return to their original stage. And from the stage of a young individual, she again begins to develop. Fortunately, there is no limit to the number of times they can do this. Thus, a creature can live an infinite number of cycles. Such jellyfish die most often due to predators or diseases. We generally our salt buttons are made by horns of animals. Born today, Kuladhar Chaliha. He was 20 September 1887 to 19 January 1963. He was a freedom fighter and prominent leader of Assam from Indian National Congress (INC). Chaliha was one of the elected member of 1934 Indian general election from Assam state. He was first president of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee when it was founded. He was also first speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly from March 1952 to June 1957. Idioms and phrases. Keep an ear to the ground means staying informed and updated about everything. For example, Ravi had his ear to the ground when it came to the news about the latest mobile to buy. Finally guys, if you like this video then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching English News Service.